Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video, it's time to do a Mega Everdrive comparison. We're going to do a versus mode comparison, Wicked Battle. So yeah, Wickedfamily, awesome that you're tuning in. And we're going to take a close look at the original one, the Gigariggs, or how you can pronounce it. And this is the China version. So they say both Mega, but they're not really Mega. I make separate reviews about them, so don't forget to check it out if you want to see the full review. Nevertheless, we're going to do a side-by-side comparison. We're going to rip it apart to see what we're going to get. And basically, for the people who don't know what a Mega Drive or Everdrive is, you're putting your file, I don't know if I can put it out, yes. You're putting your file on the SD card, you're putting it in this cartridge. The cartridge will load the file into a chip and it's going to recognize the games or the game like an original cartridge. So it's more like a spoofing the system, being cheating, or what do you want to call it, you're going to cheat. Never mind, nevertheless, this is what you're going to get. Let's Alright, the first one, the original one, don't mind the card itself, it's 3D printed, so it doesn't look very nice. It's a card that somebody took a shit on, or the cartridge did the shit out, what you want to call it. Alright, so let's open it up and I'm going to show you that this is a really original PCB board. So as you can see here, there's just a basic SD slot. Even the sticker they used are, I'm guessing, just more like a custom made. But nevertheless, I'm giving this small battery over here that you're going to need, I'm guessing, for the save function. And here you can see it's an original grid edition. Alright, so this is the original one. And now grab the Chinese one. Okay, let's see. Let's put, of course, the screws with this one. I don't want to screw it up. Phrasing. Yeah, I watch too much Archer. Alright, let's open it up. This one has been closed by 4 little Parkers. Very curious. Let's see. It's going to take some time, by the way. Ooh, they tightened up the Parkers very well. So that is something they did very good in China. Alright, they're all loose. Okay. Pull them out first, then I'm going to fold it open. Okay, let's pull it out. Ooh, it's tightened up very well. Okay. Let's pull out the SD card. Alright, so let's take a closer look at the Chinese version, and as you can see, there are not a lot of components on this one. They're using an Altera Max 2 chip over here. Hope you can see it on the camera. And this is very hard to read even here. So also this one has a battery, so I'm guessing this can be used for saving. Alright, let's turn it around. So there's nothing much on it. No, not really. So alright, so in side-by-side comparison with the cartridge itself, and as you can see, the PCB board of the fake one or the Chinese edition is a little bit wider than the original one. And there are way more components on this one. Yes, I'm just going to be honest, I don't have a lot of knowledge about the chip itself. So I'm trying to learn more about them. I'm just curious about it. So the Everdrive, I like it. It's a very great way to play some games if you want to preserve your original games. And yeah, you can use it basically for loading in bio files. You can load it in 32-bit games, so pretty cool. Again, 32-bit games, you need to have, of course, 32-bit console. Alright, so let's put it back together and we're going to check out, let's say, a side-by-side comparison with the performance. Alright, so when I'm done putting them back together, what I'm going to do is we're going to grab, let's say, a file, the biggest file I can find, and go to load it up. And the reason I wanted to do this, okay, I was figuring out how to put it back together. And the reason why I'm going to do this, I just wanted to show you which one is faster, because I think this Mega Everdrive, this is, by the way, not the really cheapest version you can find in China, but I think it's pretty good for the money. The Crits versions, the one I'm showing over here, is a little bit older. There are new versions out there, new brand of new lineup like the X3, X5 and X9. But if you look at the pricings of these original ones, they are way expensiver than the Chinese knockoffs or the Chinese editions. Alright, let's go to the Elgato and let's do some testing. Okay, so first we're going to try out the original one, the grid, and let's see how fast this 4 MB file is going to get loaded up into the card itself. Load and start, yes. It's going to raise the old file first. Let's see, rising always takes a couple of seconds. It takes a very long time. And the file you needed to remove was around 420 kilobytes, so it was, let's say, in small edition. Okay, it's reading the file now. It doesn't show anything at the moment. There are some Everdrives giving you this loading bar. I'm thinking little dots means that it's loading. And that's it. Alright, so now it's waiting. Okay, let's see. Right, so that completes the load up, and if I reset it and I press the start button, it will instantly load the game. Okay, so we try out the other edition, the other Mega Drive Everdrive, the fake one. So first of all, the Chinese fake edition has a totally different menu. Alright, so the same file is going to get erased. The older one, I have really no clue what kind of file it was. But erasing need to have the same amount of time most of the time. It's more important how long also does it load up. It's a 4 megabyte, one of the biggest files. Normally we're having 2 game cartridges. Don't forget it that we're having the Knuckle game and the Sonic 3 game. And as you can see, this is going to take up quite some time. Alright, it's done, so we can play some games. So as you can see, the Chinese version is not really fast. But the question is it faster or slower than the original one? So let's do a side-by-side comparison. Alright, so for the final conclusion regarding the original Mega Everdrive and the Mega Everdrive from our friends from China. So as you can see, the Mega Everdrive, the knockoff, is pretty slow compared with the original one. And I want to point out that this one is a pretty old one. The X3, the X5 and X7 they are releasing now or having now is way faster. Some of them have even instant load, so keep that one in mind. So for the fake one, I must say, this is what you can expect for the money. For the money, I'm going to say it again, we can't complain. It's pretty cheap. The Mega Drive is one of the expensive, and there are even, let's say, cheaper versions out there. They're just calling Everdrive. So this is what you can expect for the money. I can't say it enough. So yeah, let me know what you think of this. I really love to know. And yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell because you get notified for upcoming new Wicked content. And don't forget to check out the gaming channel for more awesome content. See you next time. Bye bye.